sandbagging.
For the green light from our official flag man, he's way down there about the 285-foot mark.
And he says, Mark Adams, the track is all go. Oh, he's back at the start line.
I was watching him run right on by. That was impressive.
Steve Hill, they got a green light. The track is rolling and driving away. Away we go. Spool up the turbo.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, he done.
White smoke is supposed to be black.
Mike and Vision come in a close second and third.
A reminder once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you got small children and no hearing protection, sacrifice your own, cover up your little kids' ears, because they don't know what's coming to them. But it's going to be exciting, it's going to be loud, and there is no more experience than at the sled right now with Randy Reimer, Ralph Trout. Ladies and gentlemen, our first puller has been there, done that. He'd like to invite you to St. Louis, Oregon, the weekend after Labor Day, for what he calls, ladies and gentlemen, Agent Oregon Puller Bring It Back. farm equipment, some new hay forage equipment, more irrigation reels, Fred Choker, but this is his family love. We got dad, a son, and a daughter, ready to crack the dirt. It is great. What do you think of that, Mike Wells?
There we go. There we're on again. Doing a good job, that machine. Brazilian Ford is what that's powered by, and I didn't know anything about Brazilian Ford. They totally changed everything's mind. Just got it back. This is the first time get this machine back together in quite a while. Monster Trucks fan, you're a NASCAR fan. You've seen the containment seats in race cars, monster trucks, sprint cars. This is one of the only tractors I know that has a full containment seat. This thing can get wild. It has gotten wild. After the show, or if you get a chance to look at it anytime, you can actually look through that triple roll cage. See, it's got a full containment seat up around the heads and holds him in there secure. I believe he's the only one in the country that still has that, is doing it. The first, he's had some wild rides. The track is absolutely perfect. I don't think this thing's going to get crazy at the end, but they can. The roll bars are not there for just to look pretty. They do their job. We hope he doesn't need it tonight. But look inside as he comes by. This thing has a full-on race car containment seat in this tractor.
Kirby Hoyle, Randy Riverson, Mick Van Dalen, the track is yours in Big Green.
We think it's Sharky.
Mike Welch, you look at that. Mick is nearly 70. His son Brent, the first one up on the tractor seat. Make sure Dad's okay. Check on how big a smile he's got. Congratulate him for making it further than he did. It is a family unit. What do you think about John Deere horsepower to Van Dalen's, ladies and gentlemen?
The designated qualifying mark. So the sled's gonna pull her back. Last year on Friday night, she had thunderstruck. Last year right here at the Skagit Speedway, it blew up. About a $25,000 expenditure. Some late nights with Dad's company working on the tractor. They made her back. No fear in this young lady. Nothing can make Fred Choker any more proud than watching Ty and Melanie.
Just keep it. here. Hopefully it's just a blower belt that let go and nothing worse. That's the best case scenario. I can't see from here.
Ladies and gentlemen, as he drags up the cab of the high-tech toy, when you put your hands together, he's had better days. They've been to Las Vegas. They've been all up and down the United States West Coast. They've been all the way across Canada, pulling.
There it is. Blower belt. That's a good, nice fix. Still not the best for it. But you got a belt that, in the old days, those belts were about $100. Not anymore, not for those big 1471s, 1671s. They're about $400 or $500 on the belt. And you throw it out, and you just can't tell them those things if they're going to give it up. Those big superchargers take hundreds of horsepower to turn it into thousands at the other end. They'll just keep going up to the explosion pop. So good news, usually tradition doesn't bend in black.
We have Ty Choker, Custer, Washington. Make sure everything is good.
and show the world how we have fun on a Saturday night with $250,000 investment. Mr. Jack Wheatley, the